Development of an Internet of Things-based customer satisfaction survey system applying multi-factor authentication methods. Introduction. Creating a customer satisfaction program involves more than just conducting customer service surveys. For this study, the researchers selected a private, non-sectarian, coeducational academic institution in the southern Luzon region of the Philippines that offers challenging professional degree programs open to local and international students as the main beneficiary of this design because the institution offers a wide variety of high-quality extracurricular activities and teaching that has been acknowledged by various government and private organizations. To better serve its stakeholders, including the children, parents, guardians, staff, and outside partners, a continuous development is necessary in this regard. One of them is enhancing how the organization conducts its customer satisfaction survey throughout all its offices. Objectives of the study. The general objective of this study is to design and develop an IoT-based customer satisfaction survey system for more reliable and valid results to identify the areas to be improved by the offices in the institution. The study's specific objectives are as follows. To apply various authentication methods such as passcode, quick response code, and fingerprint biometric to respond to the survey. To automatically generate report of the results of the stakeholders' satisfaction level of the offices from the digital customer satisfaction survey system. To evaluate the perceived satisfaction of the participants in the use of the digital customer satisfaction survey system. To set up a list of the advantages and disadvantages of the digital customer satisfaction survey system that considers benefits against costs. For the conceptual framework. Concerning the input. Stakeholders' responses to the survey items. The process will be IoT-based customer satisfaction survey system applying multi-factor authentication methods. And the output will be the more reliable and valid customer satisfaction survey results. Research methods and design. As part of the continual improvement of the institution towards the quality management system, the institution mandates both academic and non-academic offices to have customer satisfaction survey to its stakeholders. A researcher-made evaluation form adopting the ISO 25010 standards for the software product quality evaluation was formulated to measure the perceived satisfaction of the developed software and to diagnose the advantages and disadvantages of it to formulate its benefit-cost analysis. Compliance with the institution's guidelines pertaining to research involving the use of human subjects, participants' technical and social, behavioral activities is observed. This descriptive developmental study focused on the development of a mobile application using the Java programming language and Android Studio, Android 6 or higher, for the client side of the system in a local host web using the JavaScript, C# programming language and Visual Studio, Net Framework, and MySQL as the back-end for the server side of the digital customer satisfaction survey system. Stakeholders are well represented and were chosen as the evaluator participants in this study. Data gathering procedures. For every service transaction provided by the school office to a stakeholder, the attending office personnel will ask the stakeholder to answer the 5-item customer satisfaction survey using the available mobile phone or tablet with the developed mobile application installed in it. A 2-factor authentication will be made to cast the stakeholders' responses to the customer survey. For students, parents, guardians, alumni, and guests. QR code and passcode. And for the employees, teaching and non-teaching personnel, passcode and fingerprint biometric. A message will be prompted to the screen of the mobile device assigned to the office once the survey was successfully completed. Data entries for each office will be transferred to a repository and will be generated in the developed system. Statistical analysis. The research office classified the evaluation results of the IoT-based customer satisfaction survey system into 2 data types: quantitative data for the numerical responses in the characteristics and subcharacteristics, and qualitative data for the advantages and disadvantages provided by the research participants in the use of the IoT-based customer satisfaction survey system. Weighted mean was used by applying a categorical scale. The categorical scale controlled the evaluation of the selected respondents as a part of accumulating the evaluation's respondents. Systems block diagram. Concerning the multi-factor authentication methods, passcodes, QR codes, and fingerprints are used to access the IoT-based customer satisfaction survey system. The system is used to get responses from the stakeholders and then save them to the web server. Hardware and software components. Android phone, tablet must have a version of at least 6.0 or higher and should have at least 512 megabytes. The device should have a camera, fingerprint sensor, and Wi-Fi module. Java programming language and Android Studio IDE are used in mobile app development. JavaScript, C# programming language, MySQL and Visual Studio, .NET Framework, for web development of the digital customer satisfaction survey system. Testing and evaluation processes. Developed application testing is a process conducted to identify design issues, performance obstacles, and bugs in each app. The research participants examined the developed mobile application using the software quality characteristics and its subcharacteristics presented in the ISO 25010, such as the functional suitability, performance efficiency, compatibility, usability, reliability, security, maintainability, and portability to determine the acceptability of the developed software application. Results and discussion. Here is the demo of the customer satisfaction survey system. Passcode and QR code verifications are used before students can access customer satisfaction survey system. QR code and passcode verifications are used before parents, alumni and visitors can access customer satisfaction survey system. Passcodes and fingerprint verifications are used before employees can access customer satisfaction survey system. The web application enables the admin to generate reports concerning the customer satisfaction survey. Conclusion and recommendations. Applying multi-factor authentication methods through a mobile device to respond to the customer satisfaction survey is viable as an innovative way to solicit feedback from the stakeholders of the institution. The system automatically generates summary of results of the level of satisfaction of the stakeholders to the services given by the offices in the institution. This would eliminate the human error in encoding the customer satisfaction responses. The use of the digital customer satisfaction survey system is very satisfying as gauged by the research participants that is well represented by all stakeholders of the institution. The institution would more likely benefited in using the application software in facilitating the customer satisfaction survey based on the advantages and disadvantages that balances potential benefits and costs recognized by their stakeholders, which may use to improve the institution's service and quality management. Implementing additional authentication methods in addition to the passcode, quick response code, and fingerprint biometric for more security features. Adopting a more modern mobile device to keep up with technological advancements. Developing an iOS-based feedback system for non-Android users. Implementing the design project institution-wide would make the project improved through a series of assessments. Thank you.